Okay, first of all, we can choose the rotate rectangle in here and click from this origin and drag to the another side around 20 meter and enter, and then move it to the behind around 30 meter, enter. Okay, and after that we can click this surfaces and select a push pull. We can push it around 1 meter, enter. Okay, and then we can triple click, right click, and make component and just create it. Okay, then we can make the column in here with a rectangle. This is just for example. The column dimension is just for example, so we have to calculate it more detail with the structural engineer. Okay, we can click to this position for any position in here and triple click, right click, and make component and also create. Then we can select move, tab control, and place to this position. Then we can type 3/ and enter in here. Okay, now we can select all this column again and select move, tab control, and place to this position. Then we can type 4/ and enter in here. So it will be automatically ranged in here, and I will show you what the dimension for every single column distance in here. Okay, so it's 6.4 and this one 7 meter approximately. So you can see about the distance for every single column in here. Okay, and we can triple click and we can push it until this position in here. Okay, then we can select this slab and select move, tab control, click this corner and place to this position. Then we can move it up. Then we can type 5 meter and enter in here. Okay, then we can select move, tab control, and place to this position and place to this position. Okay, and we have 4 floor in here. Then we can complete the column height in here on this top slab in here. So this is the basic model, but we can now make the extension in here. We can offset it outside around 500 millimeter. Okay, and we can click the surface and push it down around 200 millimeter in here. Okay, so this is about the slab and also the column. Okay, and right now we can make the rectangle in here and click from the corner until this corner in here. Okay, then we can click the surface and we can push it down until this position in here. Okay, we can triple click, right click, and make group. Then we can triple click again and just erase this top and bottom surfaces in here, so we can just create the 4 side of this object in here. Okay, now we can right click and explode it. Then okay, and after that we can make the surfaces of this face in here to make the curtain wall. We can make the surface to be a curtain wall, so we can select the extension and select the lattice maker. Okay, and then we can select the paint material with the glass and lattice material with the white in here. Okay, so we can okay, sorry, we have to divide it again. We can click and select move, tab control. Okay, sorry. Can move, tab control, place to this position. Then we can type I'm sorry, we have to move it up again for every single surfaces. We can select move. We can move around 1.5 meter in here. Okay, so we can click this line and select move, tab control, and place to this position. Then we can type 9/ and enter in here. Okay, and again we can click for every single line in here. Okay, this is the quick way. can select move, type control, and place to this position. Then we can type 6/ and enter in here, and it will be divided automatically. Or maybe we can make it more tidier. We can select move, type control, and place to this position. Okay, then we can move, type control, and place to this position. Then we can type 2/ and enter in here. Okay, this one. And okay, now we can select all again. We can select all this line in here. Okay, and we can select move, type control, and place to this position, and move, and place to this position, and move again, and place to this position, and place to this position. Okay, now we can select this surfaces only. Okay, we can select from here with a left click in here, but we can deselect about the column. Okay, now we can select the extension lattice maker and just select the glass in here, and we can just select the white in here and select OK. And we can just wait for several minutes or several seconds, so it will be generate the frame and also the glazing in here automatically based on our divided material surfaces just now in here. Okay, now we can click and also erase this one, so we can just copy it and select move, type control, and place to this position. Then we can type mirror with the red axis in here, or flip along with the red axis in here, and place on this position in here. Okay, now we can make this one. Okay, we can make this one, and we can just erase the line. We can just erase this line. Okay, we can just erase the connected line in here. Okay, we can click this one and select move, type control, and place to the position, and click again and place to this position, and click again and place to this position. Okay, we can place to the position, and this one. Okay, now we can just select the vertical line over there. We can just select this vertical line. Okay, and after we select the vertical line, we can select move, type control, and place to this position. Then we can type / and enter in here, and it will be divided automatically in here. Then we can triple click again the surfaces. Okay, we can just triple click this one surface and select extension and select lattice maker, and just select OK, and just wait for several seconds. It will be automatically create the glazing in here, and we can just erase the another panels in here. Okay, then we can right click and flip along with the green. Okay, and we can select move and place to the position in here. Okay, we can select the glass. Okay, we can set up about the. Okay, we can setting about the color of the building curtain wall in here. Okay, right now we can make it unique for the base. We can make it unique. Okay, and after that we can select. We can push this slab. Okay, we can push this slab and make it simple. Make the slab simple. Okay, now we can push it to the front in here around 3 meter. Enter. Sorry. Okay, we can click this one around 3 meter also in here. Okay, so we can select this line, select move, tap control, and place to this position. Then we can type 6/ and enter in here, so it will be divided into the several slab in here, into the several compartment in here. We can now type 1.5 meter in here, and also in here 1.5 meter and 1.2 and 1.2 meter and 900 millimeter and 600 millimeter, 600 millimeter, and this one 300 millimeter, and sorry, it's 300 millimeter in here. Okay, so this is about the making the stair step in here. Okay, but now we can make the slab, the envelopes in here for the ground. Then we can offset it outside. Okay, we can triple click and push it up. Okay, triple click, make group, and select about the glazing. So maybe it will be a special glaze, special entrance in here. We can triple click and also select the another color like a orange color in here. Okay, right now we can make the canopy, the corner canopy in here. This one. Okay, we can just select this one. Okay, and after that we can make the another curve in here. We can make the another curve. We can select the rectangle in here. We can select the rectangle and create the rectangle in here and push it to the front. Push it to the front. Okay, we can push it to the front and make it just a little bit smaller than before, and we can triple click and make group first, and also this one we can make again in here. We can make the rectangle in here again and push it to the front. Triple click, make group. Okay, and after that we can also make the a curve. We can make the rectangle first. Maybe we can make this one. Sorry. Okay, we can make the curve in here. We can type 64S and enter in here. Okay. Okay, now we can click this surface, like move, tap control, and place to the position. Okay, we can move it to the position and also to the position. Okay, then we can push it until the limit in here and also in here. Okay, we can make it more thickness. Okay, or maybe we can just copy. We can select copy in here to the appropriate position in here. Okay, and then we can just select the orange color in here, and we can set up about the orange color arrangement. Okay, and after that maybe we can make the another elements like greenery in here. Okay, we can push it up and push it until to the position in here. Okay, and push it to the behind, and we can offset it inside in here and push it down. You can triple click, make group. Okay, we can place, and we can assign the materials with the landscaping in here. Okay, we can assign about the materials, and we can select move and place to the position in here. Okay, and we can select move type control, and we can rotate 90 degree, and we can select move. Okay, we can select move and place to the position in here. Okay, or we can move it again and place to this position again. Okay, and then we can activate about the shadow. Okay, just like this, and we can also change about the style. We can use this another style with this style maybe. Okay, so it will be highlighted well in here with the white background in here. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.